Unveiling Budding Young Talent, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting expression often used in English, budding young talent. This phrase is not only common but also very inspiring. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's explore together and make your English learning journey a bit more interesting. The expression, budding young talent, combines two key ideas. Firstly, budding is a term borrowed from the natural world, referring to plants that are just starting to grow or flowers that are about to bloom. It symbolizes the beginning of growth or development. Secondly, the word, talent, represents a natural ability or skill that someone has, especially in a creative or artistic field. When we talk about young talent, we're focusing on individuals, usually children or young adults, who show significant promise in their abilities at an early stage. So, put together, budding young talent refers to young individuals who are in the early stages of developing their skills or abilities and show a lot of promise for the future. Understanding how to use this phrase in sentences can help you better grasp its meaning and context. Here are a few examples. 1. The music school is full of budding young talent, with children as young as 7 playing complex compositions. 2. Our town's sports club is a nurturing ground for budding young talent, often sending athletes to national competitions. 3. The art exhibition was a showcase of budding young talent, featuring the works of teenagers from various schools. These examples highlight how the phrase can be used to describe young individuals in different areas, like music, sports, and art, who are just starting to show their potential. Understanding expressions like budding young talent can enrich your English vocabulary and help you describe situations with more precision. It's particularly useful in contexts related to education, arts, and sports, where growth and development are key themes. By using this phrase, you can convey admiration for someone's early achievements and recognize their potential for future success. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of budding young talent. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds value to your English learning journey. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expressing ideas and emotions effectively. Keep practicing, and don't forget to look out for more videos that can help you improve your English skills. Until next time, happy learning!